Okay, this is my older HOBIE. I'm going to be attaching a new set of navigation lights to it. Originally, how I found the hole, I found where it would look nice, and I placed the hole where I wanted it. From there, I take a center point in the front, tie a rope to it, pull it tight, mark it on the rope. Okay? That'll be your distance for your height. You get a measure from flat surface, which is both sides of the boat, down, and you'll have perfect symmetry. Okay. We did the waterproof wire splicing. Okay, on with the new LED strip. I took the liberty of sanding it yesterday. I'm just going to go over it again. I estimated how far I'm going to go with the LED strip, and I marked it. Those marks could come off later on. I'm using alcohol instead of water with the wet dry sandpaper. I find it works a little bit better with plastics for cleaning out the keeping the sand clean, the sand grit clean. Okay, after that, I'm going to be taking some brake cleaning fluid. I don't have my safety glasses on, so I'm going to do that well away from me. And I'm going to scrub it good. Scrub all around. Flip it over. Scrub the area clean again. Okay. Now I just started using this adhesive pomotive made by Bulldog. There's not many things that are made to glue to high density polyethylene. Cap, 3M. But you have to flame treat the plastic, which is a little bit different. And also, it doesn't come in clear colors. If there's one out there that comes in a clear color, I'd love to know about it. Okay? Give that a couple, like 5 minutes. Okay, the second coat is on, and it's all set. Now, I'm just gonna warm up the heat shrinking so I could get a nice bend in it. It's right into the hole. I have a little glue left over from last time, so I'll just give it a little squirts. And put it down. Okay, got it down. Me personally, I like using a roller. Okay, that's down pretty good. What I'm doing now, I'm going to be masking off the area. So I could get a nice ridge of glue so it won't peel up. Don't pull on the tape. Just let it relax. Feel like you pulled it, pick it up and let it drop down naturally again. Just pat it on. No weight to it whatsoever. Okay, I want an extra high ridge. So I'm going to be overlapping another piece of tape on top of it. Okay, press it down. Try not to touch the nice clean surface of your plastic. Just in case of drop cloth. I have some glue in this already. In prior projects, I have been using marine goop. For this project, I'll be using goop 2. I like using fresh glue. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit better controlling for bubbles, and it spreads so much nicer. Okay, I do have a bubble in it. Let me try and work around that. Okay, bubble pop. I'm just getting the hard part now. And by doing that, I'm making that LED one piece with the boat. As soon as you're done with everything, gather up all your tape in one piece and pick it up. You'll see some sand marks on the outside. That's very easily to be buffed out. And that's all that there is to putting in LED lights, navigation lights.